Financial worries often bring anxiety and uncertainty to family conversations and relationships. It's not just about numbers. It's about dreams deferred and stress overshadowing daily joys and moments. Many couples lie awake at night, minds racing with figures and endless what-ifs. This guide aims to arm you with practical tools to tackle these challenges together, fostering financial security and strengthening your bond. The journey to financial clarity begins with identifying specific sources of stress. This is the first crucial step towards achieving financial stability and peace of mind. Common culprits include high levels of debt, unpredictable expenses, and lack of an emergency fund. These factors can create a constant sense of worry and anxiety. List out all your debts, interest rates, and minimum payments. This will give you a clear picture of your financial obligations. Unexpected bills can strike like lightning. Sudden medical expenses, urgent home repairs. These surprises can derail your financial plans. Having a plan in place can lessen their blow. A well-thought-out budget can help you manage these unexpected costs more effectively. Set aside money in an emergency fund and understand your insurance coverage. This preparation can provide a safety net during tough times. Many experts recommend having at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses saved. This can provide a cushion during financial hardships. This fund acts as a financial buffer, protecting you from further debt. It can be a lifesaver in times of crisis. Even small, consistent contributions can grow into a substantial safety net. Over time, these savings can provide significant financial security. Designing a financial plan is like drawing a map for a journey. It gives you direction and helps you stay on course. Set clear, achievable goals, tailored to your family's needs and aspirations. Budgeting is the cornerstone of any effective financial plan, ensuring you allocate resources wisely. Track your income and expenditures diligently and identify areas for necessary adjustments. An emergency fund is essential for unexpected expenses. Start small and gradually increase contributions over time to build a solid financial cushion. Remember, this fund is for true emergencies only, not for regular expenses. Numerous apps and software can help track spending, set budget goals, and monitor progress. Utilizing these tools can automate processes, making it easier to stick to your financial plan and achieve your goals. Seeking professional advice can be crucial when financial burdens seem overwhelming. Financial advisors offer strategies tailored to your circumstances and provide emotional reassurance. Choose a credible advisor you can trust. They help navigate complex financial landscapes like investments, retirement planning, and tax strategies. Advisors can offer insights into debt consolidation and negotiating with creditors. They provide a realistic roadmap for debt repayment. A financial advisor can also foster communication between partners, facilitating productive dialogue. Shifting your mindset about money is crucial for long-term financial health. Celebrate small progress and use successes to fuel further efforts. View money management as a skill to be learned. Educate yourselves about financial basics through books, workshops, and online resources. Avoid comparing your financial journey to others. Incorporate mindfulness and gratitude into your financial routine. Such practices can reduce anxiety and promote a healthier approach to money management. Leveraging community support can be powerful in managing finances, providing both emotional and practical assistance. Communities offer resources like free financial counseling and budgeting workshops. Engaging in these resources builds a network of support, creating a sense of belonging and shared purpose. Informal community support, like family and friends, can provide comfort, innovative ideas, and practical advice. Community initiatives, like local savings clubs, encourage savings and financial planning. Participating in these groups introduces new perspectives and methods for handling money, broadening financial knowledge. Bartering and trading skills or goods can reduce expenses and foster community bonding, creating a more resilient financial ecosystem. Taking control of your financial situation doesn't happen overnight. Start by identifying your main financial stressors and work through them with a detailed plan. Seek professional advice when needed. A fresh perspective can make a significant difference. Cultivate a positive mindset about money and lean on your community for support. With each small victory, acknowledge your progress and keep moving forward. You've got this.